Coconut milk powder leaves the skin soft. It helps to pull oil out of the skin. The high content of vitamin C and E helps to combat signs of aging and can help boost skin's elasticity. This means you want it in everything. Coconut milk powder is often used in bath bombs. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY face mask of coconut milk powder. Coconut milk powder 1 teaspoon. It helps treat dry, dull, and damaged skin. It acts as a deep and nourishing moisturizer, especially while treating skin problems such as eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis. Rose water 1 teaspoon. It will boost the production of collagen in your skin, giving you a supple, illuminated complexion. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste, apply all over your face and neck, and then wash it off with plain water.